What's up, guys? This is Mango from QuakeFans.net. We're going to help you set up your very own Warfork server today using LinuxGSM. What LinuxGSM is a friendly game servers manager. It's awesome, works on Linux, and we're going to go through the process a little bit because there's a step in here that doesn't really talk about whenever you set it up. So stay tuned. Welcome to the Quake Fans YouTube channel. Be sure to stick around and we're going to talk about arena and hero first-person shooters. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And check out the website, QuakeFans.net. So guys, look here. You can create so many servers with this. And it does require Linux. So if for whatever reason you're not using a local server like I am, but I have, the hardware and stuff sitting right here at the house. So I figure, why not? Most people, and I actually do for the QuakeFans.net blog, is use a hosting service like DigitalOcean. But DigitalOcean can also support game servers. You don't necessarily just have to support blogs. And it's fairly cheap if you know what you're doing. So what you would do is you would go to DigitalOcean.com, sign up, spin up a server, and you would just put Linux on it. Probably Ubuntu would be the best thing to do. But then you would head over to Linux Game Server Manager. You hit there. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll on down. Scroll on down to Warfork. This guy makes it so easy to do. This is amazing. Like, this is the way to set it up, for sure. And basically it's just copy and paste. If you can log into your server with SSH, which I already have, I'll show you right here. You'll grab this guy. You'll just copy and paste it. Your terminal or whatever you're using to access your Linux box. So I use MOBA Xterm. I think it's awesome. It's fairly simple to do. Most people use programs like Putty, or I like Xterm as well. I think that's what that's called, Xterm. Xterm. Then there's a bunch you could use. They're all free for the most part. It seems like MOBA Xterm is actually the one that you can pay for, but gives you all kinds of little extra things. Just look at this. So I'm connected here, but it also FTPs into it too, so you can see what's kind of going on. What you want to do is you're just going to copy and paste that in there. You're going to hit enter. You're going to enter your super user, your sudo password, and it's going to run all the updates and stuff that it needs. It's this easy. This is all it does. See, I've already ran it, but I'm just showing you here what it kind of looks like. We're going to clear that again, just so we'll start at the top. We're going to go back the LinuxGSM, and it's going to tell you to create a user, stuff like that. So now we're back at LinuxGSM. So what it's going to do, it's want you to create an add user WF server. Then it's going to tell you to create a random password. Like, you just copy paste, enter this password or whatever password you want, password WF server. But then you're going to switch to SU-FS server. Make sure you switch. That's switch user WF server. You're going to run this as a different user in your Linux box. Then you're going to grab this guy, copy and paste it. It's going to download the WF server SH. Then you can do the WF server install, where it's going to grab this. It's not really anything but a program file. This is actually the program file. You're going to download it. So it downloads this, then you're going to do /WF server install. But here's a secret. We'll go back to the terminal. So you're back in your terminal. You're logged into WF server. You got this downloaded. Alright, you got that downloaded. Got it downloaded. So you do WF server AI. And this what AI does is just auto installs. It auto installs everything that you need. That's it. You don't have to do anything. You can go through the prompts. You can just do regular install. Like that. Do WF server install if you want to. This prompts you a lot more. But if you do AI, it installs everything for you. So anyway, I ran into a problem. And this is what I really wanted to show. Was whenever I would do WF server. Now, I'm just going to stop it right now. WF server. Stop. This is how easy it is. How easy it is. Any quit, blah, 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 blah. Hopefully there wasn't anybody connected, but oh well, it'll be back up in a minute. So if you do WF server details, make sure that it stopped. So you do WF server details. I actually cleared that off because I had too much information on there. I don't want anybody seeing. But here's the interesting thing that you do want to do. And it's going to, like whenever you try to start it, it might come up with a problem that, like I have, because I have a broadcast address. And it wants you to make sure you choose the right IP address. And the thing I found was you have to go, I use nano, so it's like nano, home, WF server, LGSM, config, LGSM, WF server. Then see the WF server.cfg is what you'll have to edit if you have multiple IP addresses. You hit it. You just have to enter this. So this is my local IP address to my server. I don't care if you know that. It's whatever. Everybody can have whatever local IP address they want. But most likely you'll be 192.168.1. something. If you haven't done anything to your network, it's normally what the standard comes in is 192.168.1. whatever. Make it 100 if you want. It doesn't matter. So you close that. Then you'll be able to do WF server start, and it'll start up with that, no problems. Awesome. Copy and paste. You can get your own Warfork server going. It's that easy, guys. It really is that easy. I am not joking how easy it is. Clear that again. And if you want to test that your server's up and running, first you have to get Steam going. We'll check. And obviously if so it is running right there. You see it right there. This is it. Sometimes you'll have two, but it looks like since I'm actually using the LGSM Linux server manager, that it takes that away. Actually, you don't have to have that. And we're just going to jump around real quick to make sure everything's working. This is working on a local box. Oh yeah, I mean Warfork is working great. Sounds are working. It's running smooth as butter. But yeah, guys, be sure to check out QuakeFans.net. Go to the QuakeFans.net Warfork server. Let me know how it's running. Hit me up on the Twitter if something's going wrong. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I had to do one really quick. Be sure to check out QuakeFans.net. Check out shop.QuakeFans.net. And if you want to be a Patreon, I opened up a private Discord. Join it. It is exclusive only to Patreons. So it's only $1, I think. So if you want to support that way, you can. It's exclusive. You only get an invite if you give $1. Hope you guys have a good guys. If you want to support QuakeFans.net, all you got to do is head over to shop.QuakeFans.net, and there you can pick up some Quake and Arena first-person shooter gear, hardware, shirts, stuff like that. I'll be adding more stuff that's come along. All you got to do is shop on Amazon, and you support Quake fans. Thanks.